somebody trying to get to work. I did severe weather coverage for 2 days, so definitely a blessing to have people in the community that care, and people that will get you out of messes like this. So it speaks a lot about the sense of community in Tulsa.